Update on the privacy link sonotube section. Finally here, getting the wire up. Here's that subgrade that's filled in. Got our tube set up to grade. Got all the cardboard just kind of knocked off of there. Finished grade kind of hitting right here. It's a little bit of a fine-tuned filling. Heading down the line this direction. Cut our grade in nice and smooth. Did a nice transition here. End up going back down this hill. Got our episode probably 27 now. Very soon we will have this complete. But that's an update on the sonotube section and how it turned out. We'll do some finish filling and some drainage and installing some drain pipe in here to prevent this future erosion, but this was enough to give us a base to build on. And looking back now, after getting that temporarily filled in, it worked out great for our grade. So there we go. And the rest of the job is over here. And starting to see what this entire job will be looking like.